NotebookLM offers instant structure, generating clear content and great layouts quickly. However, it introduces a control problem with fixed output, saving time on formatting but locking you out of the final design. The limitation is the static PDF export. NotebookLM exports exclusively as PDF, meaning text is not selectable, layouts are fixed, and the design is locked. Our goal is to transform this static image into a dynamic, editable workspace. The unlock workflow involves 3 steps. First, generating the structure in NotebookLM. Second, unlocking text layers using Canva Magic Studio. Finally, exporting to native PowerPoint for granular control. We source the raw material using fast research in NotebookLM. You can upload documents, drive files, website links, or pasted text. The AI then pulls summaries from reputable sources, like querying biggest trends in AI in 2026. Before generation, you can steer the output. Choose detailed deck or presenter slides for format. Adjust style and length under customization, and use the audience prompt to set a specific focus or audience level. The AI delivers a structured, thematic foundation. Themes are automatically sorted into logical buckets, and charts and layouts support the story. The slides are ready to present but remain impossible to edit. To move the asset to the workbench, open Canva and search for the PDF to PowerPoint converter. Upload the NotebookLM PDF. Initially, the slides load, but the text still behaves like an image. The secret weapon is Magic Studio's Grab Text feature. The problem is that the slide is a flat image. To fix this, click the slide, select Edit, go to Magic Studio, and then select Grab Text. This separates content from the background. When prompted to select text to grab, choose All Text. Canva separates the text layers from the background image, which is faster than rebuilding the deck from scratch. Full editorial control is restored. You can rewrite headings, change fonts, adjust colors, and move elements. Remember to repeat the grab text step for each slide in the deck. The finish line is exporting to PowerPoint. The final handoff involves downloading the fully editable file as a Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx. The workflow is complete, combining AI speed with manual design precision. The protocol from NotebookLM to PPT involves 5 steps: source using fast research, generate a detailed or presenter deck, transfer by uploading the PDF to Canva, unlock using Magic Studio's grab text on each slide, and finalize by exporting as .pptx.